Chapter 13. Intensity and focus, your two secret weapons. Work out with intensity and focus. Push yourself to the max and make your muscles grow. Mike said in earlier chapters that you need to put extra load on your muscles to make them grow. Keep pushing yourself and work hard both physically and mentally. This is what Mike means by intensity. Stay focused during training. Give all your attention to your workout. This is what Mike means by focus. Thinner, leaner, stronger helps you do reps with maximum intensity and focus, but you have to do your part too. Chapter 14. The building blocks of proper nutrition. Mike thinks that nutrition is not just a part of getting a fit body. He thinks that it is one of the 4 things that you need to have a fit body. The other 3 things are exercise, water, and attitude. If you don't have one of these things, your body will not be fit. That's why you need to do all of them well. In this chapter, you will learn about nutrition. Nutrition is what you eat and drink to help your body grow and work well. Nutrition does not mean taking pills or magic drinks. It means eating the right foods at the right times for your body. There are 6 things that you need to think about when you eat: calories, protein, carbs, fat, water, and vitamins and minerals. These are the things that your body needs to build muscles and lose fat. Calories. Calories are how we measure how much energy food has. Your body needs energy to do everything, like breathing, moving, and thinking. Different people need different amounts of calories every day. It depends on how big you are, how much muscle you have, how warm you are, what you do, and how your body uses food. You need to know how many calories you need every day and how much protein, carbs, and fat they should come from. This will help you grow muscles and lose fat. Protein. Protein is what your muscles are made of. You need protein to make your muscles bigger and stronger. If you don't eat enough protein, your body will take it from your muscles. You can get protein from meat, like pork, beef, chicken, or fish, but you should avoid meat that has a lot of fat. You can also get protein from other foods, like tofu, nuts, beans, and more. Carbs. Carbs are another source of energy for your body, but some people are afraid of carbs because they think they make them fat. That's not true if you eat the right amount and type of carbs. Carbs are broken down into glucose or glycogen in your body. Glucose is the sugar that your cells use for energy. Glycogen is stored in your liver for later use. Carbs can be simple or complex. Simple carbs turn into glucose quickly and complex carbs turn into glucose slowly. There is a way to measure how fast carbs turn into glucose called the glycemic index or GI. Low GI carbs have a score of 55 or less, medium GI carbs have a score of 56 to 69, and high GI carbs have a score of 70 or more. High GI carbs can be good sometimes, but eating too much of them can cause health problems like heart disease, obesity, and diabetes. Fat. Fat is another source of energy for your body. It also helps your body absorb nutrients, control some functions, and keep some structures. Fat can be saturated or trans fat. Saturated fat comes from plants and animals, and some people think it is bad for you, but some studies say it is not. Trans fat is made from saturated fat, and it has no nutrition at all. It is used in some packaged and frozen foods to make them last longer. Water. More than half of your body is water. Water helps your body do many things and keeps it working well. You need to drink enough water every day, but not too much. The Institute of Medicine says that women should drink about 3 quarts and men should drink about 4 quarts of water per day. You should also make sure that the water is clean and safe to drink. Vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals are small things that your body needs to stay healthy. Many people don't get enough vitamins and minerals from their food because the food is not good quality. Mike says that you should take a multivitamin product every day to get enough vitamin and minerals for your body. Chapter 15. Eat this, not that, thinner, leaner, stronger version. You may have heard of some foods that are better than others for losing weight and building muscle. In this chapter, you will learn more about what to eat and what to avoid. You will also find out how different types of proteins, carbs, and fats affect your body. Protein sources. Protein is important for your muscles. You can get it from 2 main places: natural foods and supplements. Natural foods that have protein include meat, eggs, milk, fish, and poultry. Choose lean cuts of meat and low-fat dairy products. If you don't eat animal products, you can get protein from nuts, beans, tofu, and other plant foods. You don't need to worry about combining different plants to get complete proteins. That's a myth. Supplements are another way to get protein. They come in powders or liquids that you can mix with water or milk. The most common ones are made from whey, eggs, or soy. There are also some made from plants like rice, peas, or fruits. Supplements are easy to digest and absorb. Not all proteins are the same. Some are used by your body better than others. This is called net protein utilization or NPU. Some are also digested faster or slower than others. For example, whey and eggs have high NPU 90-95% and are used well by your body, but whey is digested faster than eggs. This matters because you want to give your muscles the right protein at the right time. Mike suggests that you eat fast-digesting and high NPU protein after your workout to help your muscles grow. He also suggests that you eat slow-digesting and low NPU protein before bed to help your muscles recover. Carbohydrate sources. Carbs are your body's fuel before and after your workout, but not all carbs are good for you. Some have high glycemic levels and processed ingredients that can make you gain fat and harm your health. You need to choose healthy carbs and eat them at the right time. The glycemic index or GI measures how fast carbs raise your blood sugar. Low GI carbs 0-60 raise it slowly and steadily. Medium-high GI carbs 70-90 raise it quickly and sharply. You want to eat medium-high GI carbs 30 minutes before and after your workout to give you energy and refill your muscles. You want to eat low GI carbs when you are not working out to keep your blood sugar stable. Some examples of healthy carbs are brown rice, oatmeal, yams, apples, peanuts, almonds, and black beans. Mike advises you to avoid processed foods and sugar as much as possible as they can ruin your diet. Fat sources. Fats are also important for your health and hormones, but not all fats are good for you. Some can raise your cholesterol and increase your risk of heart disease. Saturated fats are solid at room temperature. They are found in animal products like butter, cheese, bacon, and lard. You should limit how much saturated fat you eat. Unsaturated fats are liquid at room temperature. They are found in plant products like olive oil, avocado, nuts, and seeds. You should eat more unsaturated fat than saturated fat. Trans fats are the worst kind of fat. They are made by adding hydrogen to vegetable oils. They are found in processed foods like margarine, cookies, cakes, and fries. You should avoid trans fat completely. Sodium. Sodium is a mineral that helps regulate your fluid balance and blood pressure, but too much sodium can cause high blood pressure and heart problems. The average adult should only eat 1,200 to 300 milligrams or less of sodium per day. That's about a teaspoon of salt. But most Americans eat more than that, 436 milligrams per day on average. You can lower your sodium intake by eating less processed foods and adding less salt to your food. You also need to balance your sodium with potassium. Potassium is another mineral that helps regulate your fluid balance and blood pressure. It is found in meat, vegetables, beans, dairy products, and nuts. You should aim for a ratio of 1:2 for sodium to potassium in your diet. Mike wants you to know that if this way of eating is new for you, you will feel better than ever before without feeling tired or hungry. You will also enjoy the taste of unhealthy foods less when you eat them less often. And most of all, he promises that you will love eating and living healthy once you get used to it. Chapter 16. How to plan your meals to maximize your gains. Mike shows you how to plan your meals every day in this chapter. Macronutrient Planning. Protein. Eat enough protein every 3 to 5 hours to reach your goals. Don't go without protein for more than 5 hours. Carbohydrates. Eat carbs before and after workouts. Mike says you should not eat carbs before bed. This is because your body uses insulin to process carbs. Insulin can stop fat loss when you sleep. Instead of burning fat, your body works on the carbs. This can have bad effects. Fats. For fat, Mike says you should eat natural fats and avoid trans fat. The pre-workout meal, 30-20-20. Eat at least 20 grams of fast-digesting protein and 20 grams of high GI carbs 30 minutes before you work out. The carbs will give you energy and the protein will help your muscles recover. The post-workout meal. Research says that eating protein and carbs after a workout helps your muscles grow and heal. Your body can digest and use them faster than normal. For women, Mike says to eat about 50 grams of medium to high GI carbs and 20-30 grams of protein. Try to finish within an hour after your workout. Do this after lifting.